So from the research I've done, this is a 1914 National Cash Register model number 317. It has a beautiful receipt printer on here. It's very, very ornate. I can't believe it's 111 years old and it still looks like this. The original glass is in okay condition. There's a couple of chips on some of the corners and it needs to be cleaned obviously. But this is a beautiful mechanical machine here. I can't wait to get the covers off and have a look at what's inside. Before I take this thing all apart, I gotta buy a set of keys on eBay. You can still find quite a few of them readily available. So actually on the casting, it says this is a number 1 key. So I need to buy a set of keys for a 300 series, which is what this is. And then along with that, I need a number 3 key, a number 2 key. There's nothing on this side. And then over here it says number 5. So it does work like I showed the drawer open with the no sale button. I've tested every key and they all work well. So this is referred to as a candy store style register because it is only anything less than $2. So the maximum you can ring up on this machine is $1.95, and you do that by pressing 3 keys at once. The drawer opens up, the bell dings. Inside the drawer, it's very, very nice. There was a little bag of parts. I think it's printer pieces, so I'm looking forward to getting that working. Underneath the very ornate brass lid here, when you open it up, there's a little catch. And then underneath, it's another beautiful thing here. So it shows a total of the amount of money that's gone through the register in the day, as well as gives a customer count and a sale number count. I already have this key. This is used to reset the register and it'll zero this out for each day. And then here, when you turn this, it locks the keys, so then you can't open the drawer. Also, as a security feature, it has this very fancy, it looks like it's nickel coated, I'm thinking, but it's a counter. So there's a little pin right here, and each time you open and close the lid, it clicks this number up by 1 digit. So if you see, that's a 6 there, 3-6. We'll shut the lid. You can hear it. Nice little click. Clicks again. And now that's a 7. So that all works. I know this is totally different from what I do on the channel normally, but this is a beautiful piece of history. I'd love to know the story of where it came from. Like I said, this came from a family friend, and he collected pretty much mainly old Canadiana and things from the turn of the century, which is what this is, right? This is from 1914. And it's just so beautiful. Like the attention to detail that went into making this, and like I said, I can't wait to see what inside's gonna look like. It's amazing shape.